Hi everyone, I discussed this chapter 11, Searching the Fire Scene. I'm Teston Jantian. Learning objectives. Number 1, state and discuss how burning occurs. Number 2, identify members of the fire scene investigation team, including their function and rules. Number 3, identify equipment used in fire scene investigation. Number 4, discuss how to conduct search in fire scene. Number 5, discuss how to search for evidence and examine the fire scene. Number 6, identify burn patterns and its relationship to fire scene investigation. A. The fire scene. A fire scene refers to the location where a fire has occurred, typically a structure fire, vehicle fire, or wildland fire. Uh, Letter B. Fire Scene Investigation Team. A fire scene investigation team is a group of professionals responsible for determining the origin and cause of a fire. They work to understand how a fire started, spread, and its impact. Letter C. Equipment used in searching. Arson is used to destroy search equipment, plays a crucial role in locating and rescuing victims trapped in natural disasters or emergencies. This equipment encompasses various tools such as search cameras, listening devices, and light detectors, which assist rescue teams in pinpointing burn victims swiftly and efficiently. Evidence of another crime, such as burglary, or murder. Methods for searching. Searching is the process of finding a particular piece of information or data from a larger set of the data or information. There are various types of searching techniques, including linear search, binary search, hash search, and tree search. Letter E. Tracing the fire scene and searching for evidence. Tracing a fire scene and searching for evidence is a critical part of fire investigation, aiming to determine the cause and origin of the fire. Arson can be used as an act of terrorism or effective fire scene investigation requires a combination of scientific knowledge, part article, practical experience, and often collaboration with other experts in fields like chemistry, engineering, and forensic analysis. Political protest. Letter F. Burn patterns. This is a psychiatric condition where a fire pattern, also called a burn pattern, is the visible or measurable physical change or identify the shape formed by an effect or group of fire effects. Fire effects are the change in or on material as a result of exposure to the fire. He individual as an irresistible or to start fires. Letter G. Searching for evidence. Fires and can utilize various. Searching for evidence refers to the systematic process of finding, gathering, and evaluating information or data that can support, refute, or inform a hypothesis, argument, decision, or conclusion. Letter H. Fire scene examination. Highly flammable and commonly used, fire and arson investigators examine the physical attributes of a fire scene and identify and collect physical evidence from the scene. This evidence is then analyzed to help determine if the cause of the fire was accidental or deliberate. It is readily available and effective in starting and spreading fires quickly. Letter I. Determination of point of origin. In fire investigation, the place where a fire starts is referred to as the point of origin. This may be an exact point or a general area. In almost all cases, the point of origin must be correctly located in order to properly determine the far